So this is the finished look of this unit right here, guys. So this is my second collaboration with KlaiyiHair. Hopefully I said the name correctly. So this unit right here was a very simple install. As you guys can see, wasn't gluing anything, didn't do all that kind of stuff. So it was a very simple hair review. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's hair review. So this unit is a closure unit, guys. It's a middle part closure unit. I did show you guys the parting space and everything. So there is no parting space on this closure unit. It's strictly middle part. So the only way to change the parting is if you just adjust the wig, which, you know, a lot of you guys are familiar with that, especially if you wore like synthetic wigs back in the day. All you gotta do is shift the wig. Now, one thing I did do to the wig is cut layers into it so that if I do feel like shifting the wig, I do have like a little bit of a layered look, if you know what I mean. So this hair is super pretty, guys. As you guys can see, the highlighted color is absolutely gorgeous. They did an excellent job on the color, which is one thing that I want to give them a round of applause on. A lot of the companies do have these same style kind of highlighted units, but this company is the only unit, the only company that I noticed that can get this kind of like platinum blonde color. A lot of the other companies are only capable of getting like a number 27 blonde, and I wanted to get something like almost close to platinum, and I feel like with this one they did. If you guys are wondering what the base color is, I would have to say the base color is like a light ash brown, which I think they did a great job on. Now, one thing I would tell them to, one recommendation I would give to the company is as far as the highlights, I wish they would have brought the highlights up a little bit higher, like maybe right here, and kind of, you know, not so abrupt as they did right here. And another thing is the highlights in the top area are a little bit too chunky. So one recommendation would be to make them a little bit thinner. And another thing that they've mastered with this company is they've also mastered putting the highlights all the way through the back. This is the first company I've seen able to do this, and they did a great job blending it all together. The chocolate color, these platinum blonde highlights, everything is guys, come on, super poppin'. But like I said, as a recommendation to the company, decrease the size of the highlights up here and come up a little bit higher, you know. But all in all, I think this unit came out super pretty, guys. I did cut layers into it, as I said before, just to kind of frame my face a little bit and give me a little bit more of a so I do feel like I kind of look like no, I don't kind of look like it. This kind of reminds me of Ciara's hair. Ciara used to wear like her like a wavy blonde type of unit all the time, and it just used to look so poppin'. I used to always try to mimic that style that Ciara always used to kill. It's like a nice natural kind of blonde, wavy, messy, funny, fun look. So that's the kind of look I was trying to imitate in this little look right here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Simple AF, I know. I will leave all the links down below per usual if you're interested in purchasing this unit from KlaiyiHair. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And before I go, like I said, for my 30th birthday gift, I had to cut that off real quick. But before I go, guys, like I said, for my 30th birthday gift, I would really like to reach 100K on Instagram. So if you can go to my Instagram, I'll leave the link down below, and try to get me to 100K on Instagram before December 27th, my birthday. I would really appreciate that. Love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in a later one. Bye.